Alright guys, here's our next ride. It's a roller coaster ride, alright? So this roller coaster, we call it a rocket. This one we call it the rocket, alright? Y'all know what the rocket is? You named this one the rocket? That's crazy. I know, but y'all gonna like it. Whoa. That is so high up. I know. It's so high up, but you're gonna enjoy it. Are you guys ready to ride? Oh, and I forgot to mention, we have seatbelts, so buckle up because this ride's gonna get bumpy. Are you ready for this ride to begin? Guys, I'm not ready. No, I'm not ready at all. I mean, I got lots of ideas. Oh, trust me. And as for this ride, it's gonna be crazy. Don't blame me, because this ride goes fast. I got friends on the other side you can blame on. Dude, this is not Princess and the Frickin' Frog. This is real life, dude. Just come on. Oh, you don't think I have friends on the other side? Well, you thought wrong. Bye-bye. No. Oh, dear Neptune, I pray, Neptune, on my soul, save me, Oh, dear, yo, we're going up, guys, going up. Oh, dear Neptune, almighty. I'm scared, guys, I'm so scared. 124, hold my hand. We're gonna be okay. How long does this have to? Yo! We're going high up, guys! Oh no! Oh my Neptune! Whoa. 126, you ready? I'm ready. Guys, this is oh my god! Oh no! 120? 120? Any last words? I know. I love you. Oh! Yo! Oh my gosh! 124! Oh my hand! I can't. We're buckled in. Oh my god! Yo, this whole. Oh my god! Neptune! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, hold my hand, bro. 122! 122! Oh my god! Oh no. Here comes the big drop. Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up. 125! You're gonna vomit? Then don't vomit. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna throw up too. We forgot to get our Oh my god, 122! Is that the end of the ride? Yeah. Wait, that's it? Oh, my stomach, man. Are you okay? You guys okay? Oh, I don't feel so good, 125. I don't feel so good, 125. Oh my god, Don't throw up on me, bruh. Please. Oh. So, how'd y'all like the ride? 120? Yes, 124? Was that the best ride you have ever... Oh my gosh. Is your throat okay, 124? I need a drink! Oh, oh dear Neptune Almighty, my soul. Dude, that ride was freaking awesome, man. Alright, now that y'all have enjoyed that ride, there's more to go. Okay? Oh. So now that y'all have enjoyed that ride, let's go on another one. This one we like to call it the the slingshots. The slingshot? Oh boy. Now this ride right here, the slingshot, it's gonna be pretty crazy. But I'm gonna tell you right now, y'all better hold on to dear life. Because this ride right here we're going on is insane. What do you mean by insane, Amtrak? What do you mean? So the slingshot, it's not gonna it's not an actual slingshot, but if you get on, it's gonna lift you all the way up to the sky. The speed's gonna be medium. You might feel a little jump scare. Then once you get high to the top, it's gonna drop down very fast, and you might vomit everywhere because of how fast it goes. But just know, don't be afraid. Now, how many people can get on? Seats there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 seats. There's 8 seats available. Sorry, Chad, if I said that number. I had to because that's how many seats there were. 8 seats on there. So yeah, there's 8 seats available. 8 seats available, alright? So, who's ready? Dude, I'm so ready, bro. How about you, 122? Alright, I'm going to assign who's gonna get on the ride. What? Come on, dude. Don't assign anything, just let us on. Because, alright. 1009, you're gonna get on. Alright. Who else? 125, you're gonna get on. Oh, dude, I'm so excited, bro! And that was for the first 2 seats. Now 3 and 4. Seats number 3 and 4 is going to be 120 and 124. Are you ready, 124, for the greatest ride of your life? I don't know, 124. I literally just almost vomited on that roller coaster. Okay, next for seats 5 and 6 will be 131 and 4014. Oh boy, can't wait. Are you ready? No. And 7 and 8 goes to 126 and 122. 126, listen to me very carefully. We're gonna be okay. I promise. But I'm scared of heights, Amtrak. I'm scared of heights. I understand you're scared of heights. But don't worry, you got 122 on your side. Hold his hand. You're gonna be okay. And don't worry, we have seatbelts. Let's buckle in. Oh my gosh. It's okay, 126. You're gonna be just fine, okay? You're gonna be just fine. Are you sure? Trust me. We're gonna be okay. Alright? Alright. Is everyone buckled in? Not. What happened to 09? You're not buckled in. That's because I'm having a hard time putting this thing on. Alright. Alright, you're buckled in. Now. On the count of three, we're gonna ready to roll, alright? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, yo, we're going up! No, we're going down. Oh, my god, no! Oh my god, oh, yo, we're going high up! Hold my hand! Hold my hand! Hold my hand! Oh! No. Damn, that's out! How was it? Oh, oh my god! It's okay, y'all. I know, it's very fast. Now, our next ride we're gonna get on is the rocket. The rocket is what we call it. The rocket? I thought this was the rocket. No, this next, it's another rocket. Just kidding, it's called the plane. The plane? Yeah. So this is technically some, like, swings. It's a swing? Yeah. But it doesn't, it's not actual playground swing, it's a different type of swing. But for this one, you can't sit down. You have to lay on your stomach for this one. Because you're going to be flying. So what you tell me is we're going to fly to heaven? No, we're not going to heaven. Well, kinda. But you're going to be flying in the air like you're a Superman. Well, I don't want to fly because I might get hurt. 126. You're gonna be fine. Oh boy, I can't wait, bro. I can't wait. Dude, man, you have to wait on your stomach for this one? Man, that's gonna make me vomit, bro. Well, you can't bring your the vomit bag on board because, you know, it's gonna fall. And plus, these things go really fast, by the way. Oh my Neptune, I'm so excited, bro. Alright. Who's ready? Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready. Start the ride, bro. Start the ride. Alright. In 3, 2, 1. Hold up. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we're going. Go, oh my god, no, no, I can't knock it out. 124, hold my hand, hold my hand, bro, hold my hand, hold my hand, okay, don't forget to hold on to those things, what thing? You're right, Amtrak. And this ride goes really fast, by the way. How fast does it go? What's the speed? What's the oh, yeah, we're going up. Oh, gosh. 124, hold my hand, bro. I don't want, I can't, bro. I'm not one of you. Yes, go on. Well, it's okay. As long as nothing can hurt us as long as we're together. Okay. That sounds like a line from Martin. Don't worry about it. No. As long as we're together. Okay. Now come on. All right, the right stopping. It's over. Hope you all enjoy the ride. Oh, I feel good. I feel good. How was the ride? I'm dizzy after all of that spinning. Okay, our next game. This is not a ride. This is where you have to this is a actual like this is a punch box. You have to punch the box, but the box here has an arm and it can punch back. If you don't punch hard enough, it's gonna punch you. So how do we punch? You have to punch it the hardest you can. Hardest you can. Okay? But our arms are no, your arms are not weak. Your arms are not weak. You're gonna be strong. So who wants to go first? You want no, I'm gonna choose who should go first. 4014, you give it a try. Alright. Good one, 4014. Good one. That was a good punch. See, he's called the big boy for a reason. That's right. You better hit that sub button. 120, you're up next. Alright, here I go. Not enough. Ah! Oh! Told you, you have to punch hard enough. If you don't punch hard enough, it's going to fight back. So, that one, you failed. 124. How about you give it a try? Come here. No, not the. Oh, he got you right in the perfect spot. Oh, that's not good. Are you okay? You need a nurse or anything? I'm good. I can walk it off. Alright, 131. Give us your best punch. Oh, I got a best punch for this one. Oh, you hit your elbow? Alright, let me try again. Oh, ah, he got me right where I was about to. Well, y'all need to try better. Alright, 1009. You did way better than 4014. What? Yep, 1009, you did it. Oh my god, I'm strong. You sure are. 4014, I'm sorry, but looks like 1009's the big boy around here. Bro, I'm the big boy. No, it's me, man. No, I'm the big boy. I'm the big boy. You want to take that back? Alright, guys, enough is enough. Enough is enough. 122, give it a try. Yeah, right in the nose. Guess what? Turn around. Wait, it can talk? Yes, it can talk. See that over there? What? Oh, not my leg, man. Oh. Well, 122, you tried. 125? Oh boy, I've been waiting for this moment. Oh no, he's gonna punch, isn't he? Well, guess what? You missed. What? Ha, you missed. Oh wow, 125. 126. But Amtrak, I'm too scared. You're not scared. You're a tough guy. Come on, come on. Show us what you got. Okay. What in the world, 126? That was not even a punch. You missed. Don't you dare. You're a teenager now. Don't cry. But he is so I don't care. You are a big boy. There's no need to cry. Alright, guys. Let's go to our next ride. Oh, wait. There's no more rides. Well, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. There's no more rides, dude. That's all. Yeah, we're low on money, so that's all we could afford. But y'all, hope you have a great day. BNSF's going to take you back to Dallas, Fort Worth. Alright, guys, follow me to the train.